Welcome to Stitchin Heaven. My name is Amy Navarro here at your Block of the Month headquarters. I'm excited, guys. I get to share something new with you. This Block of the Month is going to start in August, and it is by Lori Holt, all done in Lori Holt's fabrics. So this Block of the Month is called the Quilted Scarecrow. Super cute here. It's fall. It's got a little scarecrow on the front with his little rake. He's got to rake all these leaves that are falling down around him. Again, like I said, this is Lori Holt from Be In My Bonnet. This quilt is going to finish at 80.5 inches by 85.5 inches. And it's going to give you your fabric key here on the back. It is a pattern book, pretty hefty here. And we're going to go through a little bit of it. So this is your month one package. And again, I said this is all Lori Holt fabric. It's going to match. You've got a fabric key on each page as well. Super exciting. And we've labeled each of your packages here so you'll know as you go along. Love that. It's great. We've also got your background pieces labeled for you. So you're going to make these 4 falling leaves here in your month one on this page. And you can see this is going to be like your stem. This is your background. And these are your leaves that you're going to cut in here. So as you open your pattern book, it's going to give you what page you're going to find each block on and some recommendations there for you. And it goes right into it there. The first month is called Swirling Leaf Blocks. You're going to make 4 of them. Shows you how to cut it, how to put it together, and cutting instructions there. All right, I also want to share with you our welcome letter here. You're going to get this in your month one package as well. It's going to give you some information about the program. Super exciting stuff on the inside as well. So it tells you the date your program is going to mail out to you. That way you're always informed how long the program is and how to update your information. You open it up and you got another beautiful full color picture here of your quilt. Love to have that so that you have a goal to work towards. And then on the inside is our QR codes. Very important, guys. We always have a Facebook group for you to join for each block of the month. Even the ones that repeat, we start a new fabric or a new Facebook group for you so that everyone's doing it at the same time. You can communicate with each other there. You can communicate with us there. And sometimes we will be sending stuff out in that Facebook group for you as well if there's any updates during the program. You also have a QR code for your fabric key. You can subscribe to our newsletter, and you can update your billing or address information if anything changes for you during the program. So you're going to move or you're going to go somewhere else for a few months, we can send your blocks there for you. On the back is just our general Stitchin Heaven information, address, phone number. If you need an immediate answer and don't want to use the Facebook group, you can always pick up the phone and call us. Our customer service group is awesome. They will answer your questions. You can talk to a real person, or you can send an email and they'll email you back. I just want to thank you so much for signing up for this program, the Quilted Scarecrow. It's a cute fall program, and we're excited to see you and have you along on our journey. See y'all later.